Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Miller, and this is going to be a brief tutorial about how to create a digital portfolio for your American history classes. Whether you're CP, regular, online, or in person, you are going to be creating a digital portfolio this year. So why digital portfolio? Well, in the past, I have used paper and folders and collected them periodically throughout the course of the year, but because of COVID-19, we can't do that anymore. We have to eliminate the use of paper in our classes, so we're going to go into the digital realm for this type of my assignment. This is a summative assignment. It's worth a lot because it's a collection of work that you create and do throughout each quarter of the year. So let's get started. First off, you're going to want to open your drive, and then you're going to go to the New button. Click on New, click on More, and then you're going to want to go to the Google Sites. Now, this is the app that Google uses to allow you to create web pages. And you can use this for a lot of other things too, but today we're just going to use it for a portfolio. Let's title it Joe Brown American History 20. So now we have a name. And now we can go page title. You can be a little bit more creative with this. You can first delete default title and then call it My American, Mr. Miller, My American History Portfolio. You can mess around with the spacing if you want. I'm not going to be too picky about that, but you can spread it out, make it 2 lines or 1 line, or change the size of the font, whatever you want. But then I am going to be picky about the next part here. I want to insert a text box. You can move it up into there. And I just want you to label this with your name, your class period, and whether you're in person or online. So let's do that. We're going to call it Joe Brown American History CP. It could be regular though if you're regular, but I will say third period Zanesville High School, and maybe this dude is online. There we go. I'll probably just center it like that, and there you go. Now, the next part, you will have to insert the different activities and different assignments that I give you throughout the year on this site. And there's going to be a lot of different activities, but first, how do we do that? Well, we're going to go to Drive. And after I have given you an activity to do, and then I told you need to put this in your portfolio, you should do that right away. So the activity I'm looking for is my timeline wall. My wall timeline is scavenger hunt. So wall timeline scavenger hunt. See what comes up. There we go. That's what I want. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to insert that. Now, of course, you wouldn't want to insert that until you had finished the actual assignment, but that is what you need to do. Now, you can organize this a little bit more than what I've done. You can insert another text box, and let's say this is just quarter one assignments, and then that can help you organize it a little bit more. Or you could do it even further, and you could make another text box under saying 1920s or World War I or whatever topic we're doing in class. But quarter one assignments is good enough if that's all you want to do. Then you can mess around with the background if you want. You can make it more interesting. So let's change the image in the back. I'm going to upload an image I have, and let's say I really like the 1920s here. So I am going to take this jazz clip art, and I am going to throw that up there. So you see some guys playing some jazz in the background there. And then you can do whatever you wish with it, with making it like easier to view by making it bold or whatever you want to do. The screen will automatically adjust to make it more readable for me. After you've labeled it and finished the first part, then what we can do is you can share it with me. And you would just add Christopher Miller. That's obviously me there. It's Chris Miller at zanesville.k12.oh.us. And then I can look at it. You don't have to share it with me until the check date, which I will give you in class, and which I will make very clear when this needs to be finished by. Okay. So here's another one I made. This was my model. Again, you can see here what I've done. My American History Portfolio 2021. I put Mickey Mouse and Steamboat Willie in the background, and Mr. Miller, American History CP or regular, whatever period it is, Zanesville High School. And then I would be obviously like online or in person, but whatever. So there we go. That is our tutorial for making your digital portfolio. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop me an email. I will be glad to help you out. And hope to hear from you and see great things in your portfolios this year. Bye-bye.